You will not believe how fast this banana and ginger hack works. I tried it for 7 days and my teeth got white naturally. No dentist, no chemicals, no expensive money for spending to white my teeth. Guys, stay tuned with me and we make it together, okay? Well, now I have 3 ingredients here, but I'm still going to bring another 2 ingredients to add it. So we have banana and ginger and lemon. Okay, these are the things that I'm going to use to make it. So okay, now I'm chopping my ginger. I need teaspoon. So now after finish, you can see I get 1 teaspoon of ginger. I put into my bowl, and I'm going to add my banana. Okay, the banana, you don't need the banana itself, you need the banana, the peel, the inside that you need. Okay, I have to show it to you guys. The inside, this is the way that you have to use spoon to get your inside, screw the inside and get it and put inside. So now after remove it, I add it into my ginger. These 2 ingredients is full of minerals and antioxidant that fight stains and also kill bacteria from your mouth. So after that, also I'm adding 1 teaspoon of now I'm adding a baking soda. Baking soda also is deep cleaning. 1 drop of lemon for natural glue. Okay, your teeth or your toothpaste also you will add to it, maybe 1 teaspoon of tables. 1 teaspoon is okay. Okay, you add 1 teaspoon into this ingredient. You mix everything together very well. This thing is working like a magic, to be honest with you guys. If you tried it before, let me know in the comments section. If you know that you haven't tried it, please try it and come back here to thank me, because this thing is working like a magic. So I added 1 teaspoon of my toothpaste and added lemon also, and now I'm mixing it. So you have to, after mixing it, you have to get plastic container or something that with having a cover. You cover it and put inside your fridge at least 3 to 4 times in a week is okay. And also try to brush your teeth for 2 to 3 minutes. You brush your teeth and leave it 3 times or 4 times in a week is okay. Don't make overuse of it. Okay, I know it's very good. Maybe because it's working, you may say, oh, I'll be continuing, but at least be using your own toothpaste also. Okay, yes, that is it. So now I'm going to pour it inside and put inside my fridge. I'm going to put it inside my fridge. 3 to 4 days is going to be enough for me, so that I'll make new batch the following week again. Okay, it's very good. So the remaining one, I'm going to brush it to show it to you guys. Now my daughter is sleeping, so I'm just trying to finish fast and take her to bed. Okay.